All right, we have everything with us. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, so we should be able to get breakfast. And you're wondering, you're doing a video on hospital food? It's not hospital food, it's a restaurant in a hospital. It's supposed to be really good. So we will check it out. It sure smells good. Let's see.
What would it do? Because, have you ever heard of rabbit dying? No. I don't know, adopted it or took her over. It's a female. No, 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 no. No, don't cut it. Because I like whole. Yes, I eat it with peanut butter and jelly with banana on top. Oh, okay. You're good. Oh, it's already on the day? Thank you.
What?
We need
First, do you mind being on YouTube? I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you prefer not to be on camera? Okay, all right. So, the California scramble in a quesadilla, can I get that? All right. So you can see all the employees are in a good mood, singing. We got some very nice crispy looking bacon there. We have, looks like French toast. I'm not sure what those are, but they look good. What are those?
They're biscuits, drop biscuits.
Drop biscuits.
Yes.
All right.
What can I get for you?
I've already ordered. I'm making a little video for YouTube to promote the restaurant. So, and there's some, there's some donuts. There's all kinds of good looking stuff here. There's plenty of seating. So I will get back to you all when it's ready and I taste it, and I'll let you know how it is. Okay, so I got a little bit of a shock, 2 shocks. Well, one is I got the California quesadilla, and it was $5 flat, $5. And the receipt, I said to her, "Where do I write the tip?" She says, "We don't do tips here." Then she said, "If you want something to drink, a Coke, coffee, you can use one of the small cups," and it's not that small a cup. It's free. I'm still, this is like 1975 prices, or at least 1980, so have a little Diet Coke. I know I don't do this often. Meaning I don't do the soda thing very often. So, I'm sorry, I can't hear. No, no, thank you. Thanks, I appreciate it. Yeah. And it was that fast. Are we recording? Yes. Okay. Ooh, okay. Let's take a good look. There we go. And it is super, super good. Folks, I'm still a little stunned. It was $5. I mean, $5.00. $5. And I used a credit card. So look, I won't be able to finish it. And look how good that looks. Look at that. I mean, it's so good. I was not expecting this. Artesia Hospital. Amazing.